Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says if the mean deviation of the numbers this from their mean is 2 to 5. So, we have a numbers which look like this 1 plus d, 1 plus 2d, 1 plus 3d, dot, and at the end we have 1 plus 100d, and at this stage mean deviation about mean is what? 255. Okay, now what I will do, and I know that I'm not comfortable over here. Okay, so what I will do, I will try to make things into comfortable zone. So what I will do, I will subtract 1 from all elements. Okay, so if I'll subtract 1 from all elements, this thing will become 0, this thing will become d, this thing will become 2d, then 3d, dot, then 100d. And you know that in deviation, standard deviation, addition and subtraction doesn't affect, so mean deviation will also behave the same. So 255. Okay, so at this, you are at this stage. Now what I will do, I will try to find out the mean deviation about mean. Okay, so first we need to find mean. So mean is what? 0 plus d plus 2 plus 3, and we will take d common, so it is 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus dot plus 100. Sum of all the elements by the number of elements. The number of elements is 101. Be very careful about this thing. Okay, and I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now look at this. So can I write d times n into n plus 1 by 2, and then this is the sum of numbers and then the number of numbers. So this thing on, this thing simplified. So mean becomes what? 50d. Now what I will do, I will subtract uh, 50d from all the elements, and like then we will take mod, and then divided by number of numbers, and things are done. We got our mean deviation about mean. Okay, so we have a mean. Now we will subtract. Okay, and we will take a mod. So 50d minus 0d. So can I say it is 50d? Then 49d, then 48d, and then we will have 1d, and then if 50 will come, it will become 0d, है ना? And then again 51 minus 50d, so it will become d, 2d, 3d, dot 50d. Okay, so this sum we will get. Now we will get mean deviation about mean. So it will become what? Sum of all the elements. So if you'll observe, you can, if you will ignore this thing, it is 2 times d common, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 50, and the number of numbers is what? 101. So according to us, mean deviation about mean is this, but according to them, mean deviation about mean is 255. And from here we will get our value of d. So it is 2d multiplied with 50 into 51 by 2, and then 101 equals 255. Now this two gone, this thing 5 time, this thing 10 time. So can I write that the value of d is 101 by 10? So it is 10.1. Therefore, the required value is 10.10, 10.1. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.